sixes and seven superstars, how are you? This is Miss Flat coming live from California, hoping that you're going to have a wonderful day of learning today. I know for sure that you guys are going to start out with some reading A to Z, and we're going to do some writing. 7-year-olds, I know that you're going to be writing about your favorite board game, card game, or dice game. And also you're going to be writing part of your journal entry for today as to how things are going for you. And sevens, you're also going to be doing some either a math test, or you're going to be writing some problems to help your colleagues or your student friends, some word problems. So it should be a lot of fun. Sixes, I know you're working really hard with Mr. Abel on your writing assignment, and I know you're starting your new unit on data as well. So I wish everyone a continued great morning of learning and fun, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. See you guys. Bye.